Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi, this is Clee Crocker here, once again at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about microwaves. So we're coming into the holiday season, and some of you may be looking at making some slight changes in your kitchen. And so, how do you do that? Why does a microwave come up on this topic? Well, there's a lot of folks who really would like to get a double oven, and they may not have time or just can't do it right now. But you really want to be able to have the option of cooking 2 things at the same time. So one way to do that is in your microwave. So I thought I'd talk to you about microwaves, the different kinds of microwaves there are, and just remind you of things you can do right before the holiday season that will help save you. So first of all, your basic microwave, the one that sits on top of the counter. A lot of times the one you see advertised in different ads, those are just basic microwaves. You know them. They have the 10 key punch, and on there you can tell it how long you want your microwave to cook for, and that's it. It's basically on or it's off. And some of them, if you're lucky, they have a add 30-second timer on it, and that's what most of the things that you see on the microwave floor are going to be. But what you might want to do is think about it for just a second. And I'll get to the answer of how to have a double oven without buying a double oven. So the second thing is, second level of microwave for over the range or even on the counter is a sensor microwave. And they'll be right in the advertisement or right on the description that the retail store has, and it'll say sensor. And what that means is there are certain settings you can go in there where you can tell it potato, or tell it popcorn, or there's even, if you look at a lot of the doors inside of a microwave, there'll be little number keys that say what that number stands for, what kind of food. And what it's actually doing is it's going to read the amount of moisture coming off the food to let it know when it's done. So if it's not done yet, it keeps cooking, and if it's done early, it actually stops. So that's the best kind of microwave that we see, and that's probably what most of America is buying today, and that's a central microwave. But the third one I want you to really think about, and that is a convection microwave. So a lot of times you can tell those because you'll open the door up and you'll see that it's stainless steel on the inside. Not all of them, but most of the ones I've seen are actually stainless steel on the inside. And what they do is the same thing that a regular oven will do. They'll get up to about 400 degrees and they'll cook just like an oven will. And so you can bake a cake up there, or you can bake a cake down below, or cook meats up top and cook meats down below. So think about the ability you would have to get the food out so much faster if you just had 2 ovens. Well, a convection microwave is probably one of the best things that I've seen. Another new microwave that's come out is actually one that's half the depth. So for years, we were forced in about the same depth. It would seem to get deeper and deeper and deeper over the years. But now they have shorter microwaves. So if you don't find yourself using the microwave a lot and you'd rather have a little more room to be able to breathe on top of your range, look at this one right here. You can get this in several different brands now, but you can see the height difference between one and another. Both of these are over-the-range microwaves. And so this style of microwave has actually kind of taken over in a lot of the higher-end kitchens, because you can get most everything you would cook in there that you would in here. So that's something to consider about this year. But again, the 3 different styles that I talked about was the basic microwave, the sensor microwave, and the convection microwave. And all of them are perfect for this time of year. You can really get some good deals on it. But the convection microwave is what I really want to talk to you about the most, because that's the one that really gives you 2 ovens in one kitchen.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.